Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi Air Purifier 3C, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable notifications on this device. Firstly, you need to open Xiaomi Home, then click on Mi Air Purifier on your room, and click on notification sounds to disable it. And now notification sounds are disabled. For example, I'm changing the mode of working. For example, I don't know, I want to enable it on max. As you can see, device is working. Now I'm changing mode to auto again, and there are no notifications for it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.